In this video, I will show you how to create QR code for your YouTube channel. This way you can generate QR code for your YouTube channel, download it and share with your friends. First open YouTube app on your mobile. Now log into the app with that account of which you wish to generate QR code. Now on the bottom bar, tap U option which will be your profile image. Next, scroll to the left and tap Share Channel. Tap QR code and QR code of your channel will be generated. Save the code to your phone's camera roll using Save to Camera Roll button. This new update makes it easy for you to share your channel with anyone who may want to watch your content. So that is how you can create QR code for your YouTube channel. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.